think it's easy. You think I don't want you, but there are mountains, and there are doors that we can walk through. I know you're wondering why, because you're able to be just you and me within these walls. But when we go outside, you're gonna wake up and see that it was hopeless after all. No one can rewrite the stars. How can you say you'll be mine? Everything keeps us apart, and I'm not the one you were meant to find. It's not up to you, it's not up to me, when everyone tells us what we can be. And how can we rewrite the stars? Say that the world can be ours tonight. All I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fall with you. So just give me all of you. If it's not impossible, say that it's possible. How do we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine, and nothing can keep us apart. 'Cause you are the one I was meant.
Minyan pa to. Kapil ko puno yan.
Ay, pa na naubos ng isang puno.
Ang dahon nito nga.
Ay, gid.
Pangiban.
Pati pag ido, gusto niya mangita upos. Makita nyo ng video guys, paki-follow lang. Loya bining nga tao guys. Paki-share. Kahit mag-like lang po kayo. Love sa labit sila sang 3B. Ano pa isa guys, oh? Kapangita pag sa mga short. Amin niya guro may ubos ka 3B.
Hindi lang mga gapon eh.
Puro tatong lube.
Ha?
Puro tatong lube.
Wait lang.
Duga no?
Kung di mo nag-una di kayo na.
Nagtira to man. Ginugos yun. Ay ka, sa bawang tapon ba?
Bagti flyam laan.
Tapos na file.
Hindi tabokoon. Malulu ufo stress B. Ato mablaling daon majilinari nini.
Hindi na imagine nga itong mga tabako nila nga ano ako nga dito. Inyam to ba? No? Ang inyam gitu, inyam gitu ya. Oh, yung mana makaon? Tapos na makaon?
Tapos na.
Eh.
Ikaw na lang gani na. Imo na lang na.
May lasta nga ano, tagang nga gabi ka. Tagang nga gabi ka.
Pagkabos mo kawan ko rin mic, may sigarilyo ka.
Oh. Nagta ko posto ko rin sa kuya kampo. Ganita ko.